We are right now on the Circle Line cruise going out of Manhattan to circle the whole island of Manhattan.
I don't know what the schedule is.
This is this.
Okay, we are underway. I need to give the safety announcement. We are you can't go out there. Okay, so you can see we're underway. You need to know that this boat is inspected by the Coast Guard regularly. Part of that inspection includes life jackets. The life jackets on this boat are kept in big metal boxes. There are 2 in this compartment by that back window. Just an example. There are several more down on the main deck below. In the event, please follow the instructions of the crew. You should also know we've been doing this for 70 years. On the far side of the river is New Jersey. That is another state. That is mainland USA. You keep going out in that direction, you get to Vegas.
סבתא הזאת. סבא סידה סבתא. הופה.
Bridge connecting Manhattan Island. That is the George Washington Bridge. That is approximately 7 miles away. And that is the last bridge we're going under as we go around the island. Built back in 1931.
There's a cruise ship.
Don't be confused. We're turning the
boat is spinning around to go south. Right now we're facing north. This is the north side of Manhattan. There's the Needle Tower there. And now we're going to spin around so that we can sail south. We're going
if you look down river to your left,
circle Manhattan
you can see the statue already. Can you see the statue out there?
Wow.
You do.
Where, Ethan? The Statue of Liberty is already there. Where, Ethan?
There.
Over there, the Statue of Liberty, far away. Wow, I love it.
Sticks out. There's a big tall building.
It's beautiful.
Just to the left of that tall building.
See?
Not over here.
On your left.
The Empire State Building is right there in the center.
One of 5 major observation venues on Manhattan Island. The Empire State Building happens to be the oldest of the 5, built in 1931. The tallest building in the world for the next 42 years. Again, one of 5 observation venues on Manhattan Island. And we're about to see another one. On your left, there is a grouping of buildings here called Hudson Yards. Tremendous private development here. Form sticking out from toward the top of that building. The tallest of the buildings on your left. That is 30 Hudson Yards. The platform is called Edge. E-D-G-E. I was up there early on, a couple or so years ago. It's wonderful. Part of that platform has a glass deck, a glass floor. You can step out onto that section of the platform, look down, and freak out.
We are on the Circle Line cruise, circling around Manhattan.
The railroad.
front of the boat. We can see the Statue of Liberty already, right next to us. This is Freedom Tower over there. This is the financial district of Manhattan. A big boat next to us. You can see the... Ethan, which bridge is this one? The Verrazano Bridge, Ethan, you remember? Nobody mentioned it until now. It is the Verrazano Bridge. Yes. We're approaching the Statue of Liberty.
Entirely up to you. You can stay there, go back and forth, do whatever you want. Okay, so her ankles have just broken the chains of bondage. The golden flame of the torch is being blown back.